Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm just going to show you 3 rock groove every bass player should know, very important. And in each of these groove, I'm actually using or applying a ghost note, so it's going to help keep us to time and rhythm. Yes, so I'm using the key of D, and the progression I'm using is 1 5 6 4. Now it's very important to note that in each of these groove, you should know their place in the music because they are different. 3 of them are different, so just know where to apply this, where to apply the other one, and when to apply the other one. You get it? Yeah. So the number one is a single pump groove. It's called, it's like this. You get it? Now you can apply your ghost note in between, so it's going to make you sound rich. So that is just all. That is the number one. The number two is a double pump groove. You get it? So get it? So you can actually also put your ghost note in between, so also make it sound good. So yeah, so then the third one, the last one, is the most conventional one and very important in rock music. You get it? So it's called the pumping eight groove. Very every rock bass player should know this particular one. Yeah, it's one of the most interesting in rock. So it's called the pumping eight groove. So this is how it is. So you see, in this one there is no space. So that is also, I just wanted to just know their differences, practice them, and know their places. Yeah, so it's going to help you. So the first one, let me go again. First one is ba 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 ba. The second one, ba ba ba. We get ba ba ba. The last one, ba ba ba. You get it. So thank you very much.